Hey, what's up, guys? So continuing on from my video that I did, if you check through the carousel, you'll see another one. Um, just showing my work with this with these Kata hole saws that I got to install a recess outlet strip here. So this wood is about 3/4 inch. The hole saw itself is 1 inch. So I have two layers of the 3/4 inch, so I couldn't make it all the way through. So in the first video that I did, I just popped out one layer and then pulled this plug out. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the next layer. Tighten my hole saw back down. And, oops. There we go. So now I'm going to just go ahead and finish popping out this next layer, 3/4 inch here. And then I'll be ready to install my plug. All right, guys, so there it is. Have my holes through both of my layers there. So all set. The hole saws, they work good. I'm happy with them.